Haven't I seen you somewhere before?
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 Haven't I seen you somewhere before? When you think you recognize someone, you can say, haven't I seen you somewhere before? Example, wait, haven't I seen you somewhere before? In basic English, you can say, I think I know you.
I never go back on my word.
And I never go back on my word.
I never go back on my word.
I never go back on my word. When you promise something strongly, you can say, I never go back on my word. Example, trust me, I never go back on my word. In basic English, you can say, I always keep my promises.
I'm sorry, what is this regarding?
What is this regarding?
What is this regarding?
What is this regarding, Mr. Arlo?
I'm sorry, what is this regarding?
What is this regarding? When you want to know the topic, you can say, what is this regarding? Example, can you tell me what this is regarding? In basic English, you can say, what is this about?
Only time will tell.
Only time will tell.
Only time will tell.
Only time will tell.
Only time will tell. When you're unsure about the future, you can say, only time will tell. Example, will it work? Only time will tell. In basic English, you can say, we will see later.
You are one of the good ones.
You are one of the good ones.
You are one of the good ones.
You're one of the good ones.
Okay.
You are one of the good ones. When you compliment someone, you can say, you are one of the good ones. Example, you helped me a lot. You are one of the good ones. In basic English, you can say, you are a good person.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me? When you are surprised or don't believe something, you can say, are you kidding me? Example, you lost the tickets. Are you kidding me? In basic English, you can say, are you serious? Is this true?
What time does it start? What time does it start?
What time does it start?
5.
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
What time does it start? When you want to know the starting time of something, you can say, what time does it start? Example, what time does the movie start? In basic English, you can say, when does it start?
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet. When you need more time to prepare, you can say, I'm not ready yet. Example, wait a minute, I'm not ready yet. In basic English, you can say, I need more time.
Well, it depends on how you look at it.
It depends on how you look at it, really.
Well, it depends on how you look at it.
It depends on how you look at it.
It depends on how you look at it.
It depends on how you look at it. When something can be seen in different ways, you can say, it depends on how you look at it. Example, is it good or bad? It depends on how you look at it. In basic English, you can say, it can be different.
I didn't expect that to happen. Sorry.
I didn't expect that to happen.
I didn't expect that to happen. When something surprising happens, you can say, I didn't expect that to happen. Example, he quit his job. I didn't expect that to happen. In basic English, you can say, I was surprised.
It's not a big deal.
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 It's not a big deal. When something isn't important or serious, you can say, it's not a big deal. Example, sorry I'm late. It's not a big deal. In basic English, it's not important.
So it's up to you, honey.
Well, it's up to you, really. It's up to you.
Want to let someone decide? It's up to you. When you want the other person to choose, you can say, it's up to you. Example, where should we eat? It's up to you. In basic English, you decide.
I'm just trying to help.
I'm just trying to help this girl out.
Marianne, I'm just trying to help.
Trying to be supportive. I'm just trying to help. When you want to explain that your intention is good, you can say, I'm just trying to help. Example, don't get upset, I'm just trying to help. In basic English, I want to help you.
I'm a bit confused.
Senator, I'm a bit confused.
Well, I'm a bit confused about everything that's going on at the moment.
I'm a bit confused.
Feeling unsure or lost, I'm a bit confused. When you don't fully understand something, you can say, I'm a bit confused. Example, sorry, I'm a bit confused. Can you explain that again? In basic English, I don't understand well.